Bitcoin had a crazy pump in the last couple of hours because of the new CPI data that came out and suggests that inflation is now not at 9.1% but at 8.5%, and the crypto market was reacting to that with a massive pump. But now the question is this pump sustainable, or is that just a massive fake out? That is something that I want to talk about. Hi and welcome back. Please subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell if you think that is interesting. And now let's get here directly into the charts. So here on the 4-hourly chart, we can clearly see that Bitcoin had here a massive pump here to the upside in the last 3 hours. We are still running here into resistance based on this bigger rising wedge that we have here, where the Bitcoin price is still creating higher lows and higher highs within or even outside. We have not created a new higher high. So that doesn't mean that this structure is now broken. The structure would be only broken if we're breaking here this higher low. So then that has not happened yet. The structure is still intact here of these higher lows and higher highs. But we have to create here really fast a new higher high, because otherwise, if we continue to create here higher lows after this high point here and this one, so and for example this was now also the highest, so then we create here a downwards trending resistance. So and at some point we will then also break the higher low structure and go back into a massive downtrend. So but like I said, for now that is not the case. So however, when we're going here to the 1-hourly chart, there we can see that here the $24,200 level more or less is still strong resistance. So we got here again rejected in the last hourly candle. Also the stochastic RSI is heavily overbought on the 1-hourly chart, so I definitely expect here some sort of a correction, because we are heavily overheated here. Also when we are looking at the EMA ribbons, we are about to flip here, but usually what happens is that the price comes one more time back to the ribbon to test it, and then we bounce back to the upside. So and this candle formation here is called not a tweezer bottom, so a spinning top. That's what was the word that I was looking for. So this here is looking like the spinning top right now with these two candles here. So and if that stays the way it is, so then it's also suggesting that we should see here some sort of correction, because a spinning top, as the name suggests, is occurring at the top and signaling a reversal back to the downside. So my initial target here would be on the 1-hourly chart, definitely the top of the EMA ribbon, $23,400. That would be a support level where I would look for a new long position. When I look then here at potential targets, that would be for sure 24,200. I would use here mid-high leverage for that. Let's say 25x up to 40x. That would be kind of the leverage that I would be looking at for this specific trade. So but if you want to play it safe, then you can also go and just open a long position once we're broken here on the 1-hourly and 4-hourly chart, $24,200, because there's still this massive volume gap, this big void here. So all the way up to $29,000. So once we're breaking here $24,200, the Bitcoin price will skyrocket all the way up between $28,000 and $29,000 immediately. So and if you want to trade these levels that I was just talking about here, so then you can go here under the pinned comment below or in the description of the video and click on the link for Bybit. There you still get $4,450 in deposit bonuses with my specific link, or on BitCat. There you still get $8,000 and 15% discount on the fees, also only with my specific link, guys. There are over $20,000 in free deposit bonuses available, so definitely take advantage of that. So I'm also right now here in a small trade, so I'm shorting Bitcoin right now. I'm here more or less $700, $800 in profits. So because I believe that here in the immediate short term that the Bitcoin price has to come down here to some lower levels. So, and the first level that I'm looking at to take profit on this trade is here around that level, $23,700. Around that level, I'm gonna take profit on this short position. So when we're looking on the higher time frames, when we go to the daily chart, also there, if we can maintain the prices that we are at, then we are fine for the moment, because stochastic RSI is giving us a new buy signal. But if we should get the correction that I think we are into, then we should also expect that the Bitcoin price will here within the rising wedge come down here a little bit again, and that will also lead to cool down the stochastic RSI. So most of the indicators are anyway in a cool down right now, which is absolutely fine, from the 4-hour to the daily chart. So, and that is something that was also expected after they got so overheated. So we just have to wait here a couple of days that this is actually cooling down, and then we can also expect a nice bounce here back to the upside, breaking out of this rising wedge and moving here into higher levels. Guys, that's it already for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.